header to change region on your iPhone 15. First, you need to go to your settings. From here, we need to swipe down and go to general. Now we need to again swipe down and find this option called language and region, and from here you will find this option called region. So if you want to change the region, tap here and change to the place you want, and it will ask that would you like to change your keyboard. So I would keep the English for this. So as you can see, my region has changed. Keep this in mind. This won't make any change on your App Store. However, if you want to change the region on your App Store, I will make a different video for that. So yeah, if you like this video, then please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.